In today's video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a file in Google Drive using a simple method that adds an extra layer of security to your sensitive information. This is a great approach when you want to share a file with specific people while still making sure only those who know the password can access it. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, we will use Google Forms as our secure entry gate. Open your browser and head to the Google Forms website. Once you arrive, you will see a blank form ready to customize. Give your form a clear and simple title, something like Protected Access Form, so you can easily identify it later. Next, click on the Untitled Question area. Replace the default text with a question like, "What is the password?" This is where users will enter the password you create. By default, Google Forms sets this as a multiple choice question, but we need a more secure format. Use the drop-down to switch it from multiple choice to short answer. Now, let's add real protection. Click the three dots in the bottom corner of the question box to open additional options. Choose response validation. This tool allows you to set the exact password that users must type correctly. Change the criteria to text, then type your chosen password in the validation field. You can also add a custom error message such as wrong password to guide users without letting them skip past the step. Make sure the question is marked as required so no one can continue without entering the correct password. Before moving on, click on the settings icon at the top of the page. Open the presentation tab and update your confirmation message to something clear like access granted. Please check your email for the link. This message will appear once the correct password is entered. When everything looks good, save your settings. Now let's connect your protected form to the file in Google Drive. Open Google Drive and locate the file you want to secure. Select it, then click the share icon. In the share settings, switch access to anyone with the link. This may sound open, but remember, the user still needs to pass through the form and enter your password before receiving the link, so your file stays protected. Copy the link and keep it ready. Return to your Google form and make sure all changes are saved. You now have a working system where users enter a password in the form, receive the correct link, and then access your file in Google Drive. This simple setup gives you more control and helps keep your private files safe. And there you have it. You have successfully created a password protected access method for your Google Drive file using Google Forms. It is a smart and effective way to share important documents without worrying about unwanted access. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy tech guides, and I will see you in the next video.